Hi everyone, my name is Kirsten and welcome to my 8-part Hatha series, Journey to Wheel. This series is all about simplicity and gentleness. I've worked some Pilates strengthening exercises into the series to be able to keep our body strong, and then also a couple of subtle breathing techniques just to keep the mind stable and the nervous system calm. Because as I have worked through these sessions myself, I've realized it opens up the heart chakra quite a lot to be doing so much work on this part of the body, on the upper thoracic spine. So it's very good to have a very solid container for these emotions so that when they arise, you just hold space for yourself. I have had a lot of enjoyment making this series, and I hope you enjoy practicing them just as much as I enjoyed creating them. So I'll see you there.